Hey everybody, welcome to today's video. I am so excited for today's video because we are going to be testing out the Laura Lee Los Angeles Glazed and Bronze collection. So if you've watched my videos before, you know I love her liquid lip formula. So I was super excited that she came out with 3 new lippies. This is essentially like her holiday-esque collection. If you can tell, I do have a cold, so it might sound a little weird, but yeah, we're gonna jump right into this. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel and click the bell right down below so you can be notified of all my future uploads. First off, I'm gonna tell you the price points on this. So if you want all of the items in this collection, it's $49. So that's 2 different highlight palettes. So there's a medium to deep and a light to medium, and then 3 different lippies that come in a kit. If you would like just the highlight palettes, that's $30. If you would like the lippies and then one of the highlight palettes, that's $39. And then each of the highlight palettes by themselves is $19. So the Glazed and Bronze trio together is $38. So we're just gonna jump right in to the highlight palettes first. So it came in this box together. And one of the cool things that she did with these highlight palettes, you can see them like this, is her Nudie Patootie palette is the exact same size. So you can stack them all together and they look like that, have the same logo. So it's really nice. And here are the 2 different ones. You can see, I think this is the light to medium one, is a little lighter pinkish, and this is a little darker. So first we'll jump in to the Glazed, which is the light to medium, and the Bronzed is the darker. So Glazed is so pretty. It looks like this. These are huge highlights, and you get a nice mirror in here. So each of the highlights are 0.25 ounces. That's crazy. Let me pull out a highlight that I really like. So this is Milk Makeup Flex Highlight, and this is 0.22 ounces for just a single highlight, and that's a pretty good size highlight. So she did not skimp on these highlight sizes. So that's what this color looks like. Let's open up the Bronzed. And these are the colors in the Bronze. So they're a little deeper than the Glazed. So I'll hold them up next to each other. So this is the Glazed on this side versus the Bronze. So you can see deeper, lighter. And now I will swatch all of them for you, just so you can see what they look like. So first up, I'm going to swatch Very Reflective Diamonds, which is right here. Ooh, it's nice and creamy formula. So that's Diamonds. Next up is Glow Gal. Next is Rosé All Day. Ooh, that's pretty. And finally in the Glazed is Cinnamon Sugar. So it looks like that. So let's put them all on the hand. Ooh, they swatch so beautifully. So here's those 4 different shades. Diamonds, Glow Gal, Rosé All Day, and Cinnamon Sugar. Next up is the Bronze Lit Kit. Like this. So here's Yacht Club. Ooh, that's like a really pretty gold. Rose Goals. Gold Rush. And On the Glow. So let's swatch these. So those are really pretty, and you can definitely see they're a little deeper than these, but I could definitely wear some of these deeper ones or use them as eyeshadows. So we're going to test some of these shades out on the face. I'm not going to do all of them because that's just way too many. So we'll decide on which ones we will do. Okay, so first I think I'm going to go into the Glazed and test out this Glow Gal shade. I'm just going to take nice highlight brush. Just see how this works. So zoomed you in a little bit just to see. And we'll go in with this. Holy cow. That is pretty. I do really like her other highlights she came out with last year. They were more of a loose highlighter, but these are really pretty. And let's see if you can build it up. Ooh, yes, you can definitely build that color up. So now let's go into the bronze and see how one of these, I'm going to go into Yacht Club, which is the lighter shade it looks like in here, and do a different brush. And then just go in on my other cheek with that. Ooh, that is really pretty. Like, it's definitely a gold color, but it works with my skin. I am loving this. You can see they're just so blinding. So I think I'm going to mix some of that Yacht Club on the other side just to even out the highlight colors. And then I'm going to mix some of the Glow Gal on this side. Just to see how those colors work. That is so pretty. I definitely will be using these highlights a ton. And I love that it has so many different colors in here. There's 4 different ones that really work. I'm going to bring that down the nose and on the Cupid's bow. So next up we're going to jump into the lippies. So there's 3 different lippies and see what they look like. I'm going to just swatch all of them and then I'll decide which one to put on my lips. My lips have been really chapped lately, so I don't want to wipe it off a whole bunch of times and reapply because it just hurt my lips too bad. So first up is Cabana. So this is like a brownish nude shade. And with all of her different lippies, the top part is different. So her holiday collection last year had like the shimmery top, and her nudie patootie collection just had this matte pink top. So all of her different collections of lippies have a different top to them, which is really cool. So this is the Cabana shade. Ooh, that is a very pretty brownish nude. Next up is Coral Pops. This is a very corally color. This is a perfect summery color, I would say. But her formula is just so good. You can see there's Coral Pop. I do really like that shade. And last is Mai Tai, so like this pinky nude shade. I think this one will probably be my favorite. I love pinky nude shades. So there is Mai Tai, and I do really like that. I think I'm going to go with Mai Tai on my lips. So first I'm going to put a little bit of lip liner on just to hold in all that color. And I'm going to use the NYX lip liner in the shade Nude. So the lips are all lined, and let's put on that Mai Tai color, so that pinky nude shade. And that is really pretty. Definitely a my color shade. It kind of has like a little bit of peachy undertones too. Excuse my dogs. It's freezing outside, so they're trying to play inside. So that's the completed lips. I really do like this lip shade. Like I said, I love her formulas for the lips. They dry down so fast and it's so nice. They don't like dry out your lips. It just, the color dries down and it doesn't really transfer at all. Like I can eat, my husband doesn't mind if I give him a kiss with this lippy on, so I really do like it. So this is the completed look that I get using the new Laura Lee Los Angeles Lip Kit collection. So I would highly, highly recommend getting the whole collection if you're my skin tone or a little bit darker, because you could use either palette. If you're lighter, I would get the Glazed along with the 3 lippies, or if you're way darker, get the bronzed with the lippies. But this whole collection is great. I love these. Even if you want to get the whole collection, you can use some of them as eyeshadows too. They're just that good of a formula, but I really do recommend this collection and getting it. So go to lauraleelosangeles.com and pick up this collection. It's amazing. So make sure you check out my Instagram. It's m.hartman5. And thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you soon in the next one. Bye!